Hello. In this video, you will learn how to invite your participants as speakers or viewers to the Proficonf virtual room. In order to change the role settings when inviting participants, you need to select a role for participants when creating a scheduled or permanent event, speaker or viewer. If you have scheduled a webinar, choose a viewer role for the invited audience. The viewer can listen and watch the contents of the conference and write to the chat. If a video conference is needed, choose the speaker role. Speaker can turn on and off his camera and microphone, give a presentation, upload and display various files, share a screen and write to the chat. Also, in the conference room, you can choose the role with which each participant will be invited by email, speaker or viewer. The host and moderator can change the role of the participants during the conference. To do this, select a specific user from the Participants menu and click a three-point button in front of the user's name. In the drop-down menu, select Change Role and change the role if necessary. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.